Well, one more dream come true, one more doctor here with us. We have Dr. Antriksh Kumar. Hi, Dr. Sangeeta here. Pleasure talking to you. A smile says it all for for all of us here. What is the rank that you obtained?
I got rank 22 in AIMS
And
and rank 194 in PGI.
rank 24 in AIMS.
22.
22 in AIMS. And what specialty course have you taken?
I have taken MD Medicine.
MD Medicine. That is what you always wanted to do?
Actually, I wanted MD MS Orthopedics because I never wanted to study more because after MS Orthopedics.
Being a doctor,
Yeah,
you can't say that. I'm sure you've studied so much already.
No, you don't have any MCH after that, no, in orthopedics. So I thought to make it short, let's take orthopedics and finish it off.
Huh.
But something else was there in my fate. So I got MD Medicine. Maybe God wants me to study more.
Oh, God wants you better start studying then.
Yeah.
Okay, so did God bring you to IMS or it was something else?
No, actually, it was like one of my friend also studied here, and he got rank 12 in PGI Chandigarh. Yeah, Arvind Dambalkar in May. He told me कि यार come to IAMS. It is very good. He said कि I know you study well and you can do it, but I think you need coaching is a must. I think so you should come here.
So when he spoke to you about IMS, what was he actually highlighting when he said it is very good? So what was the point that really got you to believe what he said? Was it just the rank or
No,
something more than
not
that?
rank. He said because we both studied together at our college.
Okay.
He's basically from Delhi only. So he came here for doing his internship. I stayed back there only at Jamshedpur.
No, what is that one thing that he
Yeah.
said that which really got you here?
He said ki in our college I think something was missing, some stuff was missing, and he said that here you get acquainted with the recent topics and recent trends, plus you compete with so many people coming from different places and all, plus test series and all, plus you get a thrust to study. Somebody is pushing
There's
you.
a constant push which is there.
That was there. So he said ki you come here and you will definitely perform.
Like he said, the test series. So coming to the test series,
Test series, I don't think that is very good, not up to the because the difficulty level is too much high. That is not required. I don't think that is required for neither for AIMS nor for All India, I think.
yeah, but I think it is important also because
That I don't think so, because sometimes it happens, like I have seen many people just studying for the test series and getting nothing in the exam. That is what my friend also told me. Plus I also knew something of this sort. Don't concentrate on the subject-wise things and don't concentrate on the only IMS test series. That is not. We are here to get rank in AIMS, PGI or All India, not in IMS. That is the thing. So the difficulty level somehow I don't find it matches with that of all AIMS and PGI. So I never paid that much attention to
But that really prepares you to kind of go for, because if you don't prepare yourself in that difficult environments, at times, it cannot be an easy cakewalk. Well, coming to the,
No, there are
the study content.
certain things that are getting more highlighted in IMS. I think that is not really required, that we are studying those things and we are not paying our attention to something that is more important. So some kind of a balance is missing, I think, in the test series. I want the test series to be.
And how about the content, books and the
books
materials?
is awesome books.
How about the faculty?
Faculty is very good. I really found the faculty very good. I have talked to many of the teachers after I got selected in AIMS. I personally called them and thanked them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's really nice.
I told them because of all your help, I have been selected in AIMS. I never thought AIMS is like Abhimanyu also said, and everybody knows that it is a luck. Plus hard work is also required. Without hard work, luck will not favor. They say God helps those who help themselves.
Correct.
That is the thing.
So how was your overall experience at IMS?
I really liked IMS. I really liked the Patel Nagar. I studied here only.
Okay.
So I liked it. It was very good. Teachers, very good.
What are the strengths of IMS that you'd like to highlight for us?
Strength, faculty is very good. Plus the support that Sharma sir creates, like when there are long classes, he arranges for lunch and all.
Oh, wow.
I really liked it. But nobody, I don't think.
I mean, you don't get free lunch anywhere for a
There are
matter of
many
fact,
institutes here, I have heard, but not everybody is. So much of care about the students,
Personal attention
personal attention, that they are studying for so long. They must be needing something, must be hungry. You should provide them. I really liked it. Sharma said this
it
thing.
really
I really-
lightens your mood
Yes,
up and
yeah.
the entire environment.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of personal attention which is taken
Yeah.
care of. Okay.
This is very good thing about IMS.
And how many questions did you answer for AIMS and PGI?
Yeah, PGI, as I already said, you should answer only those questions that you know. Because agree that there are many 2 to 3 questions. I also said like one question I don't know. But I thought, okay, this may be the answer and I marked it. But the thing in PGI is that PGI only that person can clear who has read his books during his MBBS. Otherwise, it is very difficult to clear PGI entrance because very simple topics are being asked there and many questions, multiple answers are there, plus minus one thing is there. So thorough knowledge of books is very important for PGI. AIMS, I always found AIMS exam to be simpler than All India. So I always thought of competing in AIMS because I found the questions level is a bit low, plus the thing is there is great competition in AIMS because you have only 50 seats and so many people competing for it.
Correct.
In All India, there are many seats. So you can take chances there. But there are many people who say that you should take 190, 195. But I think that if you are not knowing something now, and if you are marking that question only for the sake of marking, that is not going to help you.
But if you have a little, say if you cut down to a 50 probability, then probably you should go out.
50-50. If you can cut down 2 options, then you should go for it. But if you are cutting only one option, you can't be ever sure that whatever you are marking that is going to be correct, because there is a teacher here in which department? He is in PSM, the main teacher of PSM. He once said there is some theorem that you will always be attracted towards the wrong answer only. So I never found that it is a very wise decision of marking all the questions and going for 190, provided you know. If you know, then you can go for it. Like
But
I
I
said,
think 185 is a better side of.
if you are crossing 180, you can think that you can get some rank in AIMS.
Correct.
But that also depends on the type of paper. If the paper is very easy, then you should mark plus 195 is required. But if the paper is very difficult, you should be a bit, careful. You may be making more mistakes and somebody
Like
else.
generally people say that the May paper is usually
very easy.
And November you have new questions.
Like this time, it was very difficult paper for AIMS also, and All India I didn't give, but I heard from some of my friends that it was very difficult paper. So I don't think in such papers it is very wise that you are marking
Aggressively. You just go on.
aggressively.
Okay. Dr. Kumar, what is your message for all our students who are here at IMS?
My message is only that you should concentrate on what you are studying, and like Abhimanyu said that you should be studying in groups. But I want to highlight one thing, that you shouldn't be competing with your friends. There are many people who start competing with their friends, like he got 200 marks, I got 190 marks, he is knowing more than me. Why are you competing with your friend, man?
Not unhealthy competition, basically.
No. Basically, you are competing with a friend, but there is not only a single person who is competing with you. There are many people, not only in Delhi, in Mumbai, everywhere in India.
Correct.
So I don't think that creates a sense of it fouls the environment. That's why I don't find that is very healthy thing. You shouldn't compete
And
with
it's a
your
very
friends.
limited competition then, because you're actually losing out the sight on the macro level, basically.
So this thing I would like to highlight, that you shouldn't compete with your friend with whom you're studying.
Thank you, Dr. Kumar. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you. Wish you all the best.